Hi everybody. I'm really missing seeing you all at school, so it's nice to be able to say hello this way. Hope you're all okay. Miss Binder, Mrs Harris and I have really enjoyed looking at your experiments on tapestry, the Humpty Dumpty egg drop and the hand washing experiment, so I thought it would be really good fun to do an experiment together this way. We've already learnt about what plants need to grow. We know that they need light and that they need water, so today we're going to find out what happens if they don't have those things that they need. My experiment's going to involve growing some cress. This is a packet of cress. The seeds are inside here. On the front of the packet is a picture of what the cress looks like when it's grown, and then at the top you can see the title is cress, so that tells us what's inside. I'm going to plant my cress seeds in an eggshell instead of a plant pot because it's just a bit more fun that way. I think I'm going to draw a face on my eggshell. I think I might draw a pirate, so he's going to need an eye patch, and a piratey moustache and a little beard. He's going to need another eye that he can see out of. And a mouth. To be really careful when we're drawing on the eggshell because it's quite fragile. He's a happy pirate. There we go. Inside the eggshell I've already put some tissue and some cotton wool. That's just doing the same job as soil would do, but it's not quite as messy. I'm going to put a little bit more cotton wool in the top so it's full right up to the top. This is another part where you have to be really careful not to break your eggshell. Okay, so I'll pop him in there. So the pirate's going to be the lucky one. He's going to get everything that we know that plants need to grow. He's going to have some water and some sunlight. So let's get the seeds in there. So many seeds in this packet and we only need a few. I'll show you what they look like. They're so tiny. Okay, I'm going to sprinkle a few of those into the top of the pirate's head. And I'm going to give it some water. Then we can watch and wait and see what happens. But because this is an experiment, we also need to see what happens when the seeds don't get what they need. So I've got another one here. This one's a cool dude with shades on. And in there, I'm just going to put the cress. Put some seeds in here. They're a bit tricky to get out. Put some seeds in there. And we're going to give him some light, but we're not going to give him any water. Put him over there. And then the final one is a princess. And we're going to give her seeds, some water, but no light. Okay. There's the water. But we don't want her to have any light. I'm just going to put a few more in there because they've all gone to the side. So there's the princess. She's going to go in the dark. I'm going to leave her in the dark and see what happens to her. And we've got the cool dude He's going to have his light, but we're not going to water him. And we've got our pirate, and he's got water and he's got light. I wonder what you think's going to happen. Talk to your grown-up and see if you can explain what you think will happen to the cress seeds that have water and light. What will happen to the cress seeds that have water but no light? What will happen to the cress seeds that have light but we're not going to give them any water? I'll make another video when they start to grow, if they start to grow, and show you what's happening. See you next time.